So we're gonna start with the tree. You're gonna take your hands and put it over your head like this, and you're going to reach up and take your right leg and put it up. This is the tree pose. Okay, now our next pose is planting a seed. You're going to take your legs and spread them out like this. You're going to put your hands together like this, and you're going to squat. That is the planting the seed. Our next pose is the butterfly. You're going to take your legs and put them like this. Take your feet and put them together. Pull them in, and then flap your wings. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoy our yoga pose today. Have a good one. Bye.
Bye.